Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm doing my unboxing and first impressions of one of my favorite phones to review throughout the year, and that is the Red Magic 6. Now, this device is an awesome device because it's pretty much year over year the best specs for the price you can get in the US. Now, this one is the Red Magic 6. It starts at $599. Comes with the Snapdragon 888, best processor on the market. Comes with the best screen display in the market today. Comes with the 12 gigs of RAM and starting at 128 gigs of storage. Really a beast, all for $599. That is insane. There's even a higher Pro variant if you need more, but this one is really awesome and I'm very excited for this one. It's just one that, again, the display is always the best. If 5S from last year, at the end of last year, was awesome and I really loved it, and I've missed this phone since I haven't been using it as my daily driver. So for the 6, I'm very excited for it. And let's go ahead and check out this back because it's always killer. And look at that. Let me take the sticker off. And damn, that just looks absolutely amazing. Just this really clean aesthetic, always very nice, and I really just love the style. Now, probably the only thing that I will say is that most likely I'm gonna do a few shots, but the camera's not always good. The software did improve from the 5 to the 5S, so I'm gonna check that out. And let's see what else we have in the box. So we do have our adapter. I did have the European model, so it's probably gonna be that one. But I do always love their USB cables. Really good quality, good rubber, and won't mess up on you. And then we have you have the case. So this is a very interesting, unique one. On this one, you have a case that actually doesn't protect the middle of it. So I'm not sure how you guys feel about that, but it does come free with it. So it's always a plus. And I do like that, again, it still actually protects the entire back unless something were to puncture it per se, because when you drop it like that, you actually still have that protection. It did not hit any of the middle because all of this is protected. So really nice, good button pressing. I love that they divided this part right here for the volume rocker, and you still have your trigger buttons. Again, I consider this one always to be the best gaming phone of the year because yes, you can pay $1,000+ for other gaming phones, but this has pretty much a lot of what they have. Shoulder triggers, really fast speed. It was the one who started the cooling fan revolution in gaming, and it's just done very well. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. So I'm gonna start this up and see how good it really is, and definitely show you this screen that I'm talking about and see if the camera quality has improved as well. All right guys, so I have tested it out, fully set it up just the way I like. And again, very quick in terms of its actions. It's just always so freaking quick. Love the speed of this device, and it's really buttery smooth in how it operates. That's one of my favorite things about it. The screen just looks absolutely amazing. I will say though, the camera in terms of the quality, I think it's actually pretty fine during the day. It does saturate colors more, so your blues will be bluer in the sky, your greens will be greener for all of your plant shots and things like that, as you can see. But I will say overall, the quality isn't bad. Like, I think it's definitely passable. I think we're up to the point where cameras are always gonna be pretty okay during the daytime, but in low light, that's where this one definitely struggles. It's not as good in low light. I haven't installed Gcam. I will test out how really good it will upgrade the quality, but in terms of the quality overall, that is where it falters. However, I do love this mode, and that is the gaming mode. So really, in gaming mode, it's so good and clean in terms of games. I do say that the fan is louder than last year's model. It's just, I don't know if it's just more powerful, so it has to be louder, but it definitely is louder compared to last year's model. And I definitely will be checking out all of the different technologies in terms of the triggers. And of course you can add on different things you can see. and you can really cater towards how you want it to be set. So I have it at 165 hertz. You can also boost it, which I love to do. I love to do game enhancement. So when I'm in a game, I can turn on game enhancement and it will use the full capability. Not only that, I'm very curious. I will test out aim assist. I'll do like a full gaming review for this. And just some other things like Force Shock, that's with Asphalt and I believe Call of Duty as well. And just overall, it's just a really cool, interesting experience to just really test this out and see how it plays. So let me know what games you want to see me play in the gaming review so I know for that. But I do love just the style of it. It like pulsates right here right now, and you can change that. You can even make this one light up, which I like as well. So it's just a really cool experience overall. And I'm very happy with this device. I actually prefer it to game on this than even my Galaxy S21 Ultra, just because it is smoother, it is faster, it's better performing in terms of everything I need. With 12 gigs of RAM too, you have to be pretty happy about that. All right guys, let me know what you want to see from this device in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.